Today, I'm here to carefully examine the differences between Zhiyun and Ronin gimbals. Stay with us until the end of the video so we can make a final decision on which one is better. And welcome to the Izzy Camera channel. One of the important factors in choosing a gimbal is that it should be lightweight. This is the most crucial factor because after a long period of use, your back and sides can start to hurt and you need to either be fit or choose a lightweight gimbal with strong motors. I have the weebill S here. I personally use it for my filming work, but we want to compare which one is better. Zhiyun produces products with these features, including the Crane series and the weebill series, which this weebill belongs to. They have good and strong motors, but the body material is not very impressive and can be considered quite ordinary. In terms of software features, it is very simple with a basic LCD screen, a few buttons that are not even touch sensitive, and some very simple text like Windows, Vista. However, its structure and design are acceptable and it can be used for professional work. At least calibrating it is somewhat difficult because it does not provide quicker options. You need to unlock all Zhiyun gimbals for calibration or to start working, but with the Rs3 and Rs4 models, there is no need for such actions. They open automatically and are ready to use. In terms of design, it has a creative approach, and regarding the package content and the gimbal itself, a lot of effort has been put in. All the cables and adapters needed for your camera are included. I have worked with gimbals like the Crane 2S, Crane 2 Lab, and the weebill S from Zhiyun. The Crane 2S has incredibly strong motors, so powerful that even the anamorphic cameras can be calibrated on it. I don't think DJI has produced such motors yet. Of course they can, but they prefer to produce higher quality products like Apple. The only difference between the weebill S and its other models is that it has a slightly more compact design. Zhiyun has added a button here to lock the base to the body, which you can unlock, and there's a gadget for connecting a monitor or other devices that you can add here, providing an extra gadget and an additional element. And you can close this area to make our work more professional. Additionally, we can also add the monitor gadget separately. The good thing that has happened here for the weebill S, which is not available in older cranes, is that if you want, you can use a separate stand and attach it up high, or if you get tired, you can detach it and lower it like this. Of course, Zhiyun gimbals are amazing, affordable, and a great choice for beginners. And even now, many professional filmmakers around the world are incorporating the weebill S and Zhiyun products into their work. But we come to the analysis of DJI Ronin gimbals. Look, when we want to compare Zhiyun and DJI gimbals, it's like comparing Samsung and iPhone. Of course, DJI gimbals are of much higher quality and have become like Apple in Tehran, and they can be considered an amazing tool with superior technology compared to the others. However, Zhiyun has come up with a strategy similar to Samsung, offering the same power at a lower price, but with a somewhat more ordinary appearance and less advanced technology. DJI's gimbals have very good motor power, which can be described as good to excellent, but they haven't produced many gimbals that can support significantly heavier cameras. However, Zhiyun has done this by producing the Crane T, which is even an older gimbal, equipped with extremely powerful motors. On the other hand, DJI, like Apple, has limited its products but ensured high quality. Another difference in DJI's Ronin gimbals is that they have a very high quality body. When you hold this gimbal in your hand, you feel a sense of professionalism, similar to holding an Apple product like the iPhone, where you enjoy the quality and options. The second point about the Ronin gimbals is that they have more advanced technology in their settings. Their screens are touch sensitive, allowing for more professional setups and the management of creative filming. However, Zhiyun has older technology and is simpler to use. You can do the same tasks with Zhiyun, but it can be a bit annoying and you won't feel as comfortable with it. One of the amazing features of the Ronin is that its locks automatically unlock immediately after turning it on, and they are electric locks. Abilities and options. The Ronin gimbals seem to handle vibrations better and provide higher quality stabilization. However, when you are ninja walking, there are certain points to consider. A professional can ninja walk faster with a DJI gimbal and even run, but with the weebill, it might be a bit more challenging, and the impact of up and down movements can affect the shot, requiring more attention to framing. One issue I had with the weebill S and all Zhiyun gimbals was that any settings I adjusted would completely reset after I removed the battery, charged it, and put it back in. This was one of the drawbacks that some users experience while others do not. Another experience I had while reviewing these two gimbals was when I wanted to capture a vertical shot for a project, but I didn't have the main accessory for vertical shooting and had to use a regular bracket instead, while a heavy microphone was mounted on the camera. Unfortunately, the DJI Rs3 was incapable of managing and calibrating a 6400 column camera, which is considered a relatively lightweight camera. However, the weebill S, despite having lower quality and functionality, was able to support the camera and be calibrated for a limited range of movements. As you know, the gimbals from DJI are approximately twice the price of the gimbals from Zhiyun, and we are paying for their build quality and technology. The choice is yours. If you have a lower budget and want to start, you can go for Zhiyun. If you have opinions or experiences with the Ronin and Zhiyun gimbals, feel free to comment below so everyone can benefit.